Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously we will want to open up settings, so tap right over here on the settings button, and then I'm gonna scroll down to general management, scroll down to reset, choose reset or factory data reset, there we go. Click on it, it gives you a list of things that it will remove. So give me a second, I'm gonna turn off dark mode and look a little bit better, there we go. So in here you can see a list of everything that it removes. We have things like Google account system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, so on. Now the first several of them are fairly redundant as ways to inform you that it removes it. Because Google account, obviously you can re-log in, system and app data you can regain by just installing the apps that had them. Settings, you can change them, so as you can see, majority of them are kind of useless, but things that do matter are things like the music, photos and user data. So these are the things that if you keep it locally, not on the cloud, once you factory reset your device, it will be completely gone and you won't be able to get it back. So if there's anything of that sort that you'd like to keep from your phone, do make a backup copy somewhere else on your computer or on another device and then proceed. Now I'm not planning to keep anything, so I'm just going to select reset. Now if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it and then select delete all, and this will begin the process. Now this will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it has, we should be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now it's finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.